In this video, we will learn how to solve a linear equation with two variables. So let us take a simple linear equation x plus y equal to 6. So it is a linear equation because the degree is 1 of x and y, and it has a left hand side which is x plus y, and the right hand side the polynomial is just 6. It's a constant polynomial on the right hand side. And solving means finding the value of solving means finding value of variable, and in this case x and y. So that is what solving means. That is what the solving means, finding value of x and y. Now in a linear equation of two variables there are multiple solutions. There are more than one solutions. And how to find solutions? We make a table. And we first, there are two variables, so we'll make a table with two rows, and so we will substitute the value of x first, say it is 0, and then we will find what is the value of y for this equation. So if x plus y is equal to 6, then the value of y will be 6. X is 1, y will be 5. How? So x plus y is equal to 6, and we are saying x is equal to 1. So we substitute x is equal to 1 plus y equal to 6, and therefore y is equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5. Then we take 2 and we will get 4, and if we take 3 here we will get 3, and if we take 4 here then we will get 2 here, and if we take 5 here then we will get 1 here, and we can continue like this. If we take 6 here then we will find 0. If we take 7 here then we will find minus 1. So how? So now x is equal to, so we substitute, in this case x is 7 plus y equal to 6. So then we take, subtract 7 from both sides, we will get y is equal to 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. So all these combinations are solution of this linear equation. So 0, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3. So they are all solutions. And how many solutions can it have? It can have infinite solutions. It can have infinite solutions. So a linear equation in two variable can have infinite solution. So many times in examination they ask you to find two solutions, and they simply say find two solutions. And the simple method of finding two solution is x, y, and put x 0 and y 0. So these are the simplest solution, because in this case when x is 0, y is 6. When y is 0, x is 6. So this is a very quick and simple way of finding two solutions of a linear equation in two variables. So we assume the combination where x is 0 and then find y, and when y is 0 find x. So let us take one more example, that x plus 2y is equal to 6. So this is another linear equation we are taking, and suppose we want to find a quick solution. Quick solution for this will be, let's put it this way. So for this one, a quick solution for this will be x plus 2y. So x is 0, then 2y is equal to 6. 2y equal to 6. So that means y is equal to 3. And when y is 0, then x is 6. So we have found 0, 3 and 6, 0 as the solution of the linear equation. This is example 2. This was example 1 which we did. So like that, we can have more examples. We can make table for many solutions and for quick solution. And if we have to find only two solutions, then we can just take x is 0 and then find the value of y, and then we take y is equal to 0 and find the value of x. And simply we need to substitute that value. Like for example, when we say x is equal to 0, we substitute in this x is 0 and find y. And when y is 0, we substitute y is equal to 0 and then find x. So it is quite intuitive. So what we have learned in this video, we have learned how to find solutions of a linear equation in two variables. And as we have seen that a linear equation in two variables can have many number of solutions, in fact, and if the examination we are asked to find two solutions, we can easily find two solutions by substituting the combination x is 0 and y is equal to x is 0 and finding the value of y, and then substituting y is equal to 0 and finding the value of 6. If we find more than value of x, if we have to find many solutions, then we make the complete table as we have done here. Thank you.